Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm back with a new camera setup. Do let me know how this looks, and you might probably understand I'm recording with the back camera, and the reason I was not using the back camera was because I couldn't see myself if I'm using the back camera, and every time I airplay my screen to my MacBook the audio gets corrupted for some reason. So yeah, I'm just pretending. I can see myself in my watch, by the way, but like it's kind of hard to like do it instinctively. Anyways, so today is day 15th and day 16th combined, and today and yesterday I didn't give mocks. What I did was mainly revise physics, and I did 2 chapters from inorganic chemistry. Finally I'm touching chemistry after a long time, especially inorganic, and the chapters that I did were hydrogen and S block. And in maths I also revised LPP, and currently, like as of recording this video, like after this is done, I'll continue studying mathematical reasoning. A lot of you guys were asking me to like leave the links of the tech that I use. I have left links to all of my tech gear in the description in case you guys want to check it out. Tomorrow I'll be giving a mock, and I really hope that I cross 200 this time. Other than that, today I'm actually satisfied with the progress that I made. I would rate myself 8 out of 10. Let me show you one thing. As you can see, I have done S block and hydrogen, and the lectures that I used were from Photo Club, and you guys can also use that in case you want to. And other than that, I mean, let's hope that I improve even more in the coming days. That's it for the video. I don't have much to say. I would keep the duration as little as possible, as I said. By the way, my brother is sleeping in the background. He is like crackling his teeth for some reason. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Tomorrow I'll be giving a mock positively, and let's hope I cross 200 this time. And thanks for watching. We're close to 5k subs, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.